Hello Minglaba and welcome back to the channel, food lovers. Many countries in Asia have their own versions of egg curry. This includes India, Thailand and Malaysia. Today I am making the Burmese version of this dish where it's called Bae Ooh and it's made with duck eggs. Bae Ooh literally means duck egg curry. Chicken eggs are more readily available in supermarkets in Europe, and so this dish is then called Je Ooh which means chicken egg curry. Either way, whichever types of egg you use, this is a delicious dish that you can whip up for supper in next to no time. This dish is also commonly called golden egg curry because the eggs are gently fried in turmeric, which gives them their beautiful golden color. Let's begin with the list of ingredients. 5 eggs, 250 grams of tomatoes, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne powder, 1 onion, a small piece of ginger grated, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 3 chilies cut lengthways, fish sauce about 2 tablespoons, coriander for garnish, sunflower oil for cooking in, and a pinch of sea salt for seasoning. First thing that we need to do is to cook the eggs. Carefully add the eggs to a pan of cold water and bring it up to a boil. Let it boil for about 8 minutes or until the eggs become hard boiled. While the eggs are cooking, we can prepare the onions and tomatoes. First, roughly chop up the tomatoes. This doesn't have to be too fine as they will render down and become the sauce. Then peel and chop up the onion. You want the onion pieces to be as small as possible because this will help it to become a delicious gravy. When the eggs are ready, take them off the stove and cool them down in cold water until you can handle them with your hands. Then peel the eggs carefully to leave them as intact as possible. Next, take a large saucepan and over some medium heat, add the oil into the pan. We're using about 1/4 cup of oil. Add the turmeric powder into the oil and blend in. When the oil is hot, gently add the eggs into the pan and fry them on the outside. Make sure that the oil is not too hot for this. Turn the eggs every now and then to get them a golden colour all over. When the eggs have been sufficiently browned, remove them from the pan with a slotted spoon. Add the onions and garlic and ginger into the pan and cook until the onions become translucent. Then add in the chopped tomatoes. And cook them down until they become sauce. During this stage, add in the cayenne powder and fish sauce. You can also add in some salt if you need it. After about 20 minutes, the sauce will become rich and flavoursome. We can take the eggs, cut them in half, and add them to the sauce. Add in the chilies and cook the eggs in the sauce for 3 to 5 minutes. During this time, be sure to cover the eggs in the sauce. When the eggs have been simmering in the sauce for 5 minutes, the dish is almost done. You just have to garnish it with some chopped coriander on the top. So that's how you make Burmese Golden Egg Curry. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and select the notification bell. I will personally send out some good vibes to anyone that does. See you next time.